For homeowners in Rockford, indoor comfort is a top priority. From cold, windy winters to warm, humid summers, your home's ability to maintain a consistent and pleasant indoor environment depends heavily on its structure. While many people focus on windows or insulation, doors play an equally important role. Outdated or poorly installed doors can allow drafts, noise, and even moisture into your home. Upgrading your doors with professional installation can significantly improve indoor comfort while also boosting energy efficiency and overall property value. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. One of the biggest contributors to discomfort inside Rockford homes is air leakage. Older doors often have warped frames, cracked seals, or poor alignment that allow outside air to seep in. In winter, drafts can make rooms feel cold and force your heating system to work harder. In summer, warm air infiltrates, making it more difficult to keep your home cool. Professional door installation ensures a snug fit and tight seals around the frame. This reduces drafts, keeps indoor temperatures consistent, and creates a cozier living environment. Improving energy efficiency. A comfortable home also means one that doesn't drain your wallet with high utility bills. New doors are designed with energy-efficient materials and insulation that prevent heat transfer. Insulated cores reduce energy loss through the door itself. Weather stripping prevents leaks along the edges. Glass inserts with double or triple panes provide natural light while maintaining efficiency. For Rockford homeowners, this translates into lower energy bills and a home that feels comfortable without overworking the HVAC system. Enhancing noise control. Comfort isn't only about temperature, it's also about peace and quiet. Busy streets, neighborhood activity, or even outdoor pets can make interiors noisier than you'd like. Upgrading to solid core or insulated doors provides a barrier against outside noise. Whether it's an entry door or interior door, modern designs reduce sound transfer and create a calmer indoor environment. This is especially valuable for bedrooms, home offices, or living rooms where relaxation and focus matter most. Better humidity and moisture control. Rockford's climate brings humidity in summer and snow in winter. Old doors with poor seals may let in moisture, leading to drafts, condensation, or even damage to floors and walls near the entryway. New doors installed professionally are built to withstand these conditions. Advanced seals and durable frame materials protect against water infiltration and help maintain balanced indoor humidity levels, which is key for both comfort and the long-term health of your home. Aesthetic comfort through style and light. Indoor comfort isn't just physical, it's also about how your home feels emotionally. Upgraded doors improve your home's atmosphere with modern designs and customizable features. Glass inserts allow natural light to brighten dark spaces. Stylish finishes add warmth and character to interiors. Consistent design between rooms creates a seamless, welcoming feel. These design upgrades enhance the sense of comfort by making your home more inviting and visually appealing. Professional installation matters. Even the best door won't perform to its potential if it isn't installed correctly. Professional installers ensure the frame is square and level. Seals and weather stripping are applied properly. Hardware aligns for a tight, secure fit. This precision is crucial to maximizing comfort and efficiency, preventing the drafts, leaks, or misalignments that often occur with DIY installations. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Door installation upgrades offer more than a visual refresh. They're a practical investment in indoor comfort. By reducing drafts, boosting energy efficiency, controlling noise, and improving moisture protection, new doors create a healthier, more enjoyable living environment. With professional installation, your upgraded doors will not only enhance comfort but also add style and value to your property. If your current doors are outdated or failing, now is the perfect time to consider an upgrade that delivers benefits you'll notice every day.